Week 3 of distance learning. I hope you guys are doing good. I wanted to say I miss y'all. I miss teaching y'all. I miss the interaction that we had when we were working together in class, when y'all could ask questions, interact, and I know that y'all miss that too. But this is what we got to work with, and so let's do it. So your checklist will be posted. I think you guys are familiar with it now. You were able to look at it online. I hope this was able to help guide you for what you need to do this week. Hakuna Matata. Also, asking for help. You guys, if you don't understand, you got to let me know. I don't know if you don't get it or you don't understand, and waiting until Thursday night or Thursday during the day is not helpful to you. And so if you need help, look at your notes ahead of time. Wait, my hat's a little crooked. Okay, there. Okay, look at your notes ahead of time. Wait, still crooked. Oh, well. Look at your notes. See if you have any questions. Write them down. Try it before Wednesday so you can have your questions ready for me on Monday or